Hi, this is Spiritlight. We are attempting to do an investigation in the pouring down rain. We're going to do it quickly. Obviously, we don't want our equipment getting wet or us. We are at Jekyll Isle, Georgia, and this is a ruins of a home that was actually burned out many years ago. The family is buried across the street. So I asked them if they wanted us to do this investigation. They said lonely, so we decided to go ahead and brave the rain and do this investigation very quickly so we could bring this to you at home. Watch the giant puddle right here.
Okay.
As you can see, this place has no roof because it was burned out. Typically we see stars when we're here. Tonight we just have the rain. It's been raining pretty much all day. But we'd like to let the spirits speak if they want to speak, and to give us any message that they have. And if they'd like to show us that they're here, we are... Brown and, I don't know, that must be a person. Ooh, it's... Yes, it's a person. Hi! Well, thanks for coming out in this storm to talk to us. I almost smell like fire, like the embers or something, which is interesting because obviously this place is soaking wet. It feels very lonely here, just like it said before we got out of the car. We let them speak with our PX device, and just wondering how they're feeling in this weather and headed. So we came on over here to try to talk to you. Do you have anything you want to tell us? Introduce? Okay. So you introduce yourself to us? Is that what you're doing? It's so cool because there's a tree right there. It's growing right into this building, which is very Blair Witch, by the way. Right out there is the forest. We've seen raccoons here before and deer. Tonight is again, like I said, it's pouring down rain. Spirits, we only have a few short minutes. Can you please give us a sign that you're here? And if you'd like to tell us anything, go ahead, we're listening. How can we help you? Were you here when it burned? Were you angry that your home was destroyed? Are you sad? Were you involved in the Bloody Marsh battle that's down the road? Forgot. Do you feel like that you're forgotten? Because there's a lot of history about this place, and people talk about you all the time. Just heard a noise. Did you hear that?
No.
It just sounded like a hum. Express. You don't hear that?
No. I'm hearing things in my pocket, so I'm not going to hear it.
I just feel like I can, I don't know. This feels like I can hear noises all around us. like walking or thudding, it's just like like that, that was me doing that, but that's what it sounded like to me, just like somebody walking, kind of heavy and hitting the rocks. There's a lot of gravel around here. Are you walking around inside of here now? Do you want us to go in the other room? Okay, we're going to do that. There's a puddle right in the middle. This is the room with the fireplace, as you can see, because we can barely see. What can you tell us? Why are you here? Why are you afraid? What are you afraid of? Why do you stay here? I feel like you're watching us. We came here to talk to you. We came out in the rain to talk to you. Just give us an answer, please. Why do you stay here? You're free. You don't have to stay here unless you see this place differently than we do. Do you see it the way it was? Is it beautiful to you? Is it still home? And you don't want to leave it? That's what I'm getting. Like, they see everything intact. It's amazing. Do you realize this place is actually burned down? Do you realize that you actually have died and that you need to cross over? That your family's waiting for you? Because staying here is lonely. Other than us visiting you tonight, I don't know that there's anyone else here. Let's see if I can take a picture. I'm going to turn off the PX for a second. You don't want your picture taken?
Don't do that.
Yeah. Don't think they want your picture taken. May I take your picture, please? It's not easy to do with an umbrella. Ah! Try it on this side. Just gonna take a couple of quick pictures. Hopefully we'll get you. That's the fireplace. Let me get the picture of this wall. And then we're gonna be taking off, Spirit, so if you have anything else that you want to say, just let us know. Alright, well, this just goes to show that people that do this are very passionate about it and will brave all kinds of weather and other conditions to speak with spirits. So we're going to head back to the car as it's starting to pour a little bit harder out here, and check back with us as we go forward to new and different places to investigate. Thank you.